Alright, so I think it wasn't recording on the last one. So anyways, this is how you clean a stain. You can see I kind of already did it here, and we're getting, but essentially what you do is we have this bottle, and I filled it up to the 20-ounce line of water, and then 5-ounce line of your favorite solution. I'll show you my solution here after I spray it. So we're just going to spray the heck out of it. You want to make sure you soak the area super well. We'll go ahead and do all this. And these little spray bottles you can get over at Lowe's or Home Depot, or it doesn't have to be this particular brand. And you know, this is just out of a guesstimate on this. So sometimes when we get new dog food or different dog food, the dog's stomach doesn't agree with it. Alright, so I'm just going to put that on the ground. This is the brand that I'm using for the solution. It's just this Hoover Oxy Permanent Stain Remover. I don't know if it's any good or not. We have our cleaner that I'll use just to help dry this out a little bit and add a little more cleaning. And then our this is an impact, but you can use a drill as well, and then the brush itself. So all you do is get down. Alright, that's it. That's how you get dog throw up stains out of the carpet. As you can see, can't even tell. I'll turn on the ceiling fans to get this to dry a little sooner, but overall I'm pretty happy. Thanks for watching. Hit the buttons you're supposed to push. Go get a chore done. Bye. So the first thing I'm going to do is just move this out of the way. Oops.